All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is the first time joining us here, my name is Jason. Our channel is all about making money online. We find ways to make money online. We figure out how to get it done, and then we pass that on to you. So this series that you've landed on now is going to be a continuation of our daily series. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank. See how long it takes us to make that income. That is job quitting income. And we want to see how long it's going to take us to make that using a free offer from Clickbank and 5 accounts from My Lead Gen Secret. So it costs us $5 a day to run this way. And the offer inside of Clickbank is free. So if you have not subscribed, we'd sure appreciate if you would. And if you get any value out of this video, leave us a like on it. We sure appreciate it. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into Clickbank, and we'll check our stats for the day. See how we're doing. As always, we always check our stats. And looks like we made a sale last night. So right there, that was a good one. That is $24.88. So cool. So we made another sale. That's awesome. Let's go over here and check. Let's see. Let's check our overall stats here. Well, we'll check today first, see how many hits we're getting. Okay, so 121 hops, so 121 hits to our link today. Keep in mind, we haven't sent emails out yet today. We're going to do that together here in just a second. Today is day number 34, running it this way. And let's go in here and check our overall. We'll check our yearly here. All right, so here's our full breakdown. So now at this point today, our earnings are $85.21. We've made 5 sales. This is our hops just for this current offer that we're running. So we've had almost 5,000 people click on our link. We've had 22 of those people go through to the order form, and actually 5 of them made purchases. So that's good. Now, keep in mind, some of this is going to be reoccurring. So we're just going to add to this. And then these reoccurring charges are going to still get us paid. So this is what we talk about when we talk about passive income. This is building an income that you don't have to worry about daily, that you know that it's just going to be there. It's going to come in. It's very similar to a lot of the other programs on the channel, a lot of the programs I work with. It's all about building passive income, because who wants to work forever whenever you can throw out a video and have it work for you, right? Or throw out emails and have them work for you, okay? So that's why we do this. All right, so overall, we've had 87 clicks to our link. We've had 98 total clicks to our order form. And then again, there's our 5 sales. So we're making progress. So 85.21, and we can go, let's go see what that equates to in actual sales for the company. Let's see, we want to run here. Okay, so here's showing our sales. This is our sales total. So this is for everything that we've sold. This was the total. Our commissions on that was $85, which we saw previously, but this was the total sales that have gone through. All right. So it's good. It's working the way we want to. And we're just going to continue doing this daily. Like I said, once you start doing this, you're going to find that 5 minutes during the morning or evening or whenever you have time is not that much to go in here and start making some residual passive income, because that's what this turns into. So once you make that sale, if people stay with it, you're going to get paid on that every single month as you go. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and jump over to our first account from My Lead Gen Secret, and we'll get these emails going. All right, I've got the email ready. It's email 14 for this offer. And, you know, like I said, the Google Doc below has all these emails on it lined out. It is in Google Doc. I've shared it under here. You can just go in it, click on it. I'm not going to give you, I won't give you permission to edit it, but what you can do is just go and make a copy of the file, and then you'll have your own copy. So just keep this if you want to keep it handy, and then you can just pull your emails right from there. It just makes things easier. You don't have to go pull them from Clickbank. Now we check Clickbank every morning because we're running these videos. If I wasn't running this video series every day, I wouldn't have to get into Clickbank and check it every day. I could just go to the Google Doc, pull all my info, pull the email, copy paste, and I would go. All right, so mailing system, like always, then select all. So today we're emailing, this account is 6,900 people. We'll go over, we'll grab our subject, Control C. And then we're going to go down and we're going to go over here. We're going to grab the body of our email, including the link, and Control C. We're going to highlight and then Control V. Now what we're going to do, as always, we'll just unbold all of that. And then we're going to change that short code to the proper short code for this mailing system. Control C, and go right here, and we're going to hit Control V and comma. All right, so our email's in there. Now we need to get our signature right there, your name. And then right here, you're going to put your affiliate ID for Clickbank. That way they know whose link brought this sale, okay? And we'll just copy this. So we'll highlight, Control C, and now we need to go and see where this is going to go. Right here is the obvious spot. It's probably set up like the other ones, so this will probably be fairly easy, quick. Click here. So as always, we're going to bold that. We're going to bring it up one size so it's visible. And then here's the other spot for it right here. And this one, we're just going to go into your link right here. Control V to paste. And then we're just going to bold that. We're going to leave the size the same because it is one sentence there. And if you wanted to, you could just go, just go in the whole, here, let's just do the whole thing. If you want to do that, you can do that. There, look, see, now the whole sentence is your link. Gives them more area to click on. So we can do that. No big deal. You can do pretty much whatever you want on here. You know, about the only thing we've found that you can't do with this system is you can't use emojis, but that's not that big a deal. A few of these emails we had to remove the emojis from. But anything else, you can go in here, you can change the fonts, you can change the color if you want to. Sometimes on another series I run, I'll go in here and use a darker blue. I'll make this a lot bigger and things like that. Just ideas that you have, you can come in here and just mess with it and do it. But this is the email that I would use. They seem to be working fine. And this is what the companies use whenever they're advertising for their system or for their product. So that's what we're going to use. And that's what keeps it easy. So look, that's what keeps this just copy and paste. That's the only thing we're doing with this. I have not run any kind of paid ads. I have not run any video ads or anything like that. This is all strictly copy, paste, pre-written emails. All we've done is put them in a Google Doc, check the grammar, check the spelling, and we really haven't changed anything else. We've left the wording pretty well the same, just to prove that this can be done with something as simple as copy and paste in emails. All right, so we click perfect timing all the time. We've got our email highlighted. We're going to Control C and copy that, and then we're going to send it because we are ready. Now, as soon as this sends, do not close out. If you're running more than one account, which you should be running at least 2 up to 5. You're going to go up here, you're going to right click the tab, and you're going to duplicate. On that duplicated tab, you're going to log out. Then you're going to log back in to your next account. So we'll go to account 2. That way you've got everything pulled up for if you need to refer back. So if I would happen to forget or miss a step or whatever the deal is, I would still have this other page I could go back to and pull my subject, pull my email, and I could be ready to go. All right, so I'm going to highlight there. I've already got the email copied, so I'm going to Control V and paste it. Perfect timing. I'm going to go up and I'm going to go grab my subject. Control V or Control C, Control V. All right, right there. And then I'm going to grab this entire email, Control C, and send. All right, then we're going to go to our other tab. And we'll log out, log into our next account, which will be number 3. Select all, come all the way down, highlight, Control V to paste, perfect timing, go up to subject, highlight our subject, Control C, Control V, come down, grab our email, Control C, and send. All right, then we go to our other account. You see how easy this is? It's just real quick. It doesn't take any time at all. If you're just sitting there doing it, obviously it takes us a little longer on here because I'm talking and instructing, but honestly, this is just really super fast process. Control V, perfect timing. Subject, Control C, Control V, and go all the way down. We're going to grab our email one last time, Control C, and send. All right, that's gone. So now we got our last account. We're going to switch tabs. We're going to go log out, log back into number 5. Mailing system, select all, come all the way down, highlight, Control V, perfect timing, subject, Control C, Control V. So this is all very repetitive. And once you really get going on this, it's only going to take just a few minutes to get this taken care of. So for people that say they don't have time, they don't have time to mess with things, they don't have time for this, time for that, you've got 5 minutes. You've got 5 minutes. You can start making passive income, recurring income online. And then this is going to continue. This will just continue. We'll continue to make sales. And then we're going to continue to get paid on those sales with those reoccurring payments. Okay. So that's the joy of this system, is that using offers with reoccurring payments, we're putting our ad out there once, we're making a sale, and then they're going to keep paying. They're going to keep paying us. All right. So, all right, guys. So good deal. So that was day 34. don't forget to subscribe for sure. Give me a like on this video if you got any value out of it. I hope you did. We're doing pretty good now. We're making money every couple of days with this. Now soon, I hope we get to the point where we're seeing every single day, and we probably will get there. We're going to find out together, and we're going to see. Now, while I'm here, I do want to say I'm going to be putting out another instructional video for this system right here. This is really blowing up just in the last couple of days. I've only had this a couple of days. I've already got 3 members under me, so I'm already making money with this within 3-4 days. This is going to be big, so be sure you watch this setup and these videos, this series here. Again, this is really new. It's only been out for a couple months, and we're still building this company and building these teams. We're bringing on about 2,000 members a day. You definitely want to get in on this early so that you're above those other members, so that you're getting those payments come into you. So this is, again, how you make passive income. This is residual passive income right here. Okay. All right, guys. So make sure you check this one out. This is the same way. Again, passive income, and it pays out every single month. So this is what you need, and this is why I like the affiliate marketing that we do, the subscriptions that we do, the network marketing that I do. And this is why, because I want to get paid on a sale for years down the road, right? And this is why we do that. So, all right, guys, appreciate it. Thanks for being here. Thanks for coming to the channel. We appreciate the support. Please subscribe, give me a like on this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.